Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how I created this look. It's a super soft halo eye and I'm using the Maddison Channel Surfing palette to do this. To start with, I'm using this dark purple shade and a really small fluffy brush, and I'm literally dipping into the palette and packing the colour onto the outside of the lid, the crease and then the inside. I just keep on dipping in and then building up that colour. Once I'm happy with how I think it's looking, I'm going to start doing small circle motions, and this is just to try and get rid of any harsh lines I might have created. And then I'm going in with this light purple shade and a bigger fluffier brush. And I'm doing the exact same thing, just lots of small circles, and this is going to help blend everything out and give us a seamless blend. I really like to take my time with this and just make sure that everything is definitely blended out. I like to go over everywhere and just make sure there's no weird shadows or anything like that left behind. If you're unsure, just keep blending. That's my best advice. Next, I'm taking this dark shimmery purple shade and a really fluffy thin brush. I'm just going to start to buff this onto the outer corner and the inner corner, just using back and forth motions. Next, I'm taking this light purple and I'm applying this to the centre of the lid, and then I'm using my finger to just dab it on. I've also gone into the white shimmer shade and just put this on top just to give it an extra pop. Now I'm using that really big fluffy brush and I'm just blending everything out again. Because this is a halo eye but we've not used any concealer, I just like to make sure everything's super blended. Now I'm just going under the eye with this smoky dark purple. I'm lining the waterline, and then I'm just applying some highlighter and some lashes, and this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you all have a lovely day.